we global now.
Gambling, addiction, management position, cannabis I'm twisting, ambulances driven, handing out prescriptions, gram of it I'm sniffing, cancel my subscription, dead or alive, competitive drive, general guide, repetitive vibe, she never replied, spend 75 just so I can get high, I'm feeling alive, I'm itching like hives, I just wanna die, but I don't have time, I'm living a lie, I'm living the line, I'm in a disguise, you can't see my eyes, shark attack, flesh, cardiac arrest, hard to wrap your bell, start to act depressed, start effect is left, part of that is stress, rest of him is gone, I'm not holding on, had to let that shit go, walking down a gravel road like a damn fashion show, while I'm smoking on my dope, I'm in a terrible state, blue steak, too thick, too fake, moose cake, new state, booth shake, loop tape, in a casket, I must attract a sociopathic, not photographic, it was fantastic, I wrote a classic, calling the traffic, broken elastic, community college, musical knowledge, cubicle solace, beautiful polish, critical wallets, room full of scholars, twist impalas, doing bath salts, bath soap, rap dope, backstroke, black smoke, last hope, black coat, Larry Manilow, hairy camel toe, tearing pantyhose, wearing flannel coats, caravan will go, ayy. Feedback loop, kneecap loose, Steve Nash shoots, Greek salute. E-class coupe, be back soon. Wheatgrass juice, slick tattoo. Beeswax boots, T-Mac shoes. Average Joe, status quo, patio, pack of smokes, Hannah Soul, Algerio, extra rose. Battle toast, fashion show, paddle boat. Acid flow, Apple phone, last to know. Keep it and break it, I can escape it. Medical patient, medics are waiting, falling on pavement. I see your head got me when I close my eyes. Sacrificial sacrifice, corner lobby, morning coffee, kinda wildly boring hobby to my surprise. Open your eyes, feel me the lies, talking in tongues, fingers are numb. I'm feeling dumb, I'm feeling stupid. I have a gun, don't know how to shoot it. Taking the pills, I know it kills, but I don't care. Buffalo Bills from 716, can't handle my bitch. I just wanna be rich, but I don't wanna work. I sing in my shirt, I always get hurt, physically and mentally. I am my own enemy.